Hi there and welcome back to another review. Today we're looking at a pair of trainers. We've not looked at a pair of trainers for a while, but this is a new seller. It's dhgate.ru. That's he-s-kick, so heskick.ru. I will leave a link in the description of this video, and that will obviously direct you straight to their website. There's also a discount code, a MatchuCx, which will save yourself some money on their website. It doesn't have to be these items that I've got in the box. It can be any on their website. So it's worth checking them out and using that discount code to save yourself some money. Now the trainers arrived in about 10 days after getting my QC photos, and they've come via FedEx. So it is in a FedEx bag. I'm not going to flip it all the way around because my address is on the other side. But yeah, about 10 days I think it was from the point of QC photos, which is spot on. So what I'll do is I'll open the bag and I'll show you the box that comes underneath. Usually you get the standard box that the shoe box then comes in to keep it strong, so we'll do a double check and we'll see if that is there. But as I said, the seller is heskick.ru. all the information in the description of the video. If you do enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But let's undo this FedEx bag and take a look. So there we go. I have undone taken off the FedEx bag, and we do have this standard brown box that the trainers all come in. As I said, that is to keep the trainer box in as good a condition as possible. So if I flip open this side, I did cut it open prior to this video. You can see what trainers we've got here. We've got Air Jordan 1 lows. They are colour-wise dark mocha black, velvet brown, and they are UK size 9. So for people who've been around this channel for a while, you'll know that these are not for me at all. These are for a friend of mine. So yeah, got them for him. So what I'll do is I will now get the trainers out of the box and we'll take a proper dive at them. So this is the Nike box that the trainers come in. It's just a standard Nike box. So you've got all your branding around there. Nike 1985 Air Jordan 1s, all the information there. And underneath you do get all the Nike Air Soul, Jumpman, and all that sort of information. Some marks on there from where it's been in the box. If we take a look at this, you get your paperwork in there, and let's read it first. So this is what you get in the pack. So as I said, it's heskick.ru, and this is Andy from Heskick giving you the website. Our website is doing sales now. If you like the products, recommend them. Feel free to contact us. Look forward to your review. Appreciate your continued support. Best wishes. And then it gives you the details of their website. So there's a WhatsApp number, which again I'll put in the description, and an email address. But if we remove that, I'll give you the first look at these trainers that we have purchased from heskick.ru. There they are. Looks like you get some extra laces as well. But yeah, let's take a full deep dive on each trainer. I've got to say there is a strong smell of glue when I've opened these ones, but in all honesty, I quite like that smell. Does that make me sound weird? But yeah, it's quite nice. Okay, we've now got the trainers out and they're on top of the box. So you do get a couple of pairs of laces. They look like they're brown ones, and you get some pink ones with it as well. I'm not going to lace these ones up because I said these are going to be for a friend of mine, so I'll let them decide what laces they want. But as we take a close look at the left one, it's a nice tick. I thought it was slightly bumped up there, but that's absolutely fine. On the back, and there's your cactus jack. There was a loose thread, or was that a bit of glue? Look what that is. Oh, it's a bit of plastic actually, so nothing to worry about there. I thought it was a bit of glue. Inside you do get the standard shoehorn, which obviously keeps it in shape. And we'll take a look. So you got your made in China and all your information are there. Inside you've got your UK size 9, you've got your QR code and all the relevant information. The laces that it comes with are a brownie sort of colour. Again, you've got your sizing and your cactus jack in there. If I can pull the bottom up with one hand. No, I can't get the bottom up, so we won't take a look at it. But here is the grip. That all looks good. I do like these ones. When I looked at the brown pair last time, I was slightly gutted I didn't get them myself, and once again I am disappointed in myself. Stitching though, all looks fine. A little bit of line of glue there, but to be fair, for the price, what do you expect? So that's the left trainer. Let's come back and take a look at the right one. Okay, we're now going to look at the right trainer, which again, you get the shoehorn in there to keep it in the correct shape. And we have Travis Scott at the bottom there, again US size 10, but as these tags here show, it's a UK size 9. You've got all your QR code and your information just there. There's the brown laces that they come with. Made in China. I know I said I wasn't going to put laces on there, but I'd be tempted to put the pink ones on there for them. I think you'd quite enjoy that. So working our way around, it's a nice strong Nike tick. All looking absolutely perfect there. Likewise, the brown side looks good. So just pushing at the bottom, do you know what, that feels really quite strong actually. And from a bounce, yeah, see, I've pushed in and you've not got the bounce back on it that well there. Grip wise, I can't fault that at all. You see all the glue at the bottom there. And there's the Jordan logo. Like I said, there is quite a strong smell of glue on these, but once they've been worn and out and about in the fresh air, because it's the first time I've had them out of the box, that glue smell will soon disappear. There they are. There's our Air Jordan 1s. I really like these. And there we have it. There are our trainers from dhgate.ru. Like I said, normally I would go and wear these for around the house for a while and give you my feedback on them, but these ones are not for me, they're for a friend, and yeah, size 9 won't fit me. So I will just wrap up the video with this and just give you the final look at them. I'm sure he's going to absolutely love these. Website is dhgate.ru. If you use their website, discount code of MatchuCx, that'll save yourself some money at the point of checkout. It doesn't have to be on these trainers, it can be any on their website. I really do like these ones. I think I said it earlier, I'm gutted that I didn't get myself a brown pair before. I've got a shed load of trainers now, in all honesty. But yeah, something a bit classy about these ones, so I'm sure he'll be happy. If you've enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any questions or comments, leave them below, I'll get back to you. The seller is dhgate.ru. All the information will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave the Instagram and email address for the person, because at least then you can find another way of getting hold of them. So thank you very much for watching. I'll give you that final look. What a lovely pair of trainers. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.